Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Photorealistic, impressionistic, lush green rooftop garden, partial view of city skyline beyond, bright sunlight, vibrant colors, tropical plants and foliage fill the foreground and midground, variety of leaf shapes and textures, concrete or stone patio floor in the foreground, modern architecture visible in the background, dark gray/black architectural element on the right edge, soft, diffused light, partly cloudy blue sky, view from above, detail, depth of field, carefully arranged plants, natural outdoor lighting, high-quality photography style, detailed vegetation, architectural elements. Rooftop garden, lush tropical plants, vibrant green foliage, banana leaves, flowering plants, wooden planters, light beige/taupe outdoor furniture, a small light gray/cream colored dog, concrete/stone patio floor, warm golden light, sunbeams filtering through the plants, city skyline visible in the background through the greenery. Impressionistic bokeh, shallow depth of field focusing on the foreground plants. Shadows cast by the plants, wooden coffee table, urban setting, detailed. Textures of the plants and wood, natural light, golden hour, soft focus on the middle ground. Lush tropical garden patio, terracotta and burnt orange lounge chairs and cushions, dark gray metal frame, brown wooden pergola roof, dense foliage of vibrant green tropical plants, stone pathway, dappled sunlight, warm lighting, high contrast, detailed textures, impressionistic, outdoor living space, modern design, ambience of relaxation, accurate perspective, no harsh shadows, focal point on patio furniture. Natural light, detailed leaves, focus on detail, high resolution. Smooth transitions between colors and textures. Hyper-realistic, spacious indoor-outdoor living area, sunlight streaming through large open windows, showcasing a lush, vibrant tropical garden and valley beyond. Warm earthy tones, predominantly orange, terracotta, and muted browns, complement the lush green foliage. A large, intricately patterned rug in fuchsia, magenta, and orange/yellow hues. Bohemian-style furnishings, comfortable, low seating with orange and terracotta cushions, wooden and stone tables and coffee tables. Natural fiber hanging lights, wall decor with woven patterns and warm-toned wood elements. Plants are abundant, varying heights and types, filling the space with life. Impressionistic, warm, inviting entranceway, teal wooden double doors with louvered panels, open to a lush jungle garden filled with vibrant green foliage, potted plants, and soft golden, ambient light from paper lanterns overhead, terracotta tiled floor, deep shadows, soft focus, low contrast, natural light filtering through the plants, details of plant textures, smooth, natural wooden beams. Focus on the doorway and garden beyond, warm earthy tones, tropical plants, detailed. Foliage, slightly muted colors, decorative paper lanterns. Photorealistic, impressionistic style, minimalist wooden cabin nestled deep within a lush, verdant jungle. Large windows showcasing the interior, warm, golden-orange lighting filtering through the interior, dark, rich brown tones of the cabin's facade, dark brown wooden beams and supports, natural, warm-toned wooden interior furnishings, muted colors in the interior, full of tropical plants, dense jungle foliage surrounding the cabin, a pathway of dark gray stone leading to the cabin, soft, dappled sunlight filtering through the trees creating depth of field and shadow, soft warm tones of amber and beige, black metal accents on the cabin. Hyper-realistic, spacious living room, concrete walls, light beige and muted terracotta colors, wooden beams, sliding glass doors with lush green tropical plants visible outside, natural light, large white sectional sofa with orange throw pillows, wooden coffee table with terracotta/brown patterned rug beneath, a large abstract painting with warm oranges and browns on the wall, potted plants, varying heights and colors of foliage, rich greens, terracotta, and oranges, sunbeams hitting the floor, rustic aesthetic, warm lighting, detailed texture of the concrete walls and wooden elements, calm and tranquil atmosphere. A tranquil, tropical spa courtyard, impressionistic, lush green foliage with vibrant, deep green and emerald tones surround a rectangular, shallow pool with dark water, terracotta-colored brick-like paving stones create a pathway through the foliage and leading to a vista of low, rustic, dark brown/terracotta-toned building structures with thatched-like roofs, soft, warm sunlight filters through the foliage, casting subtle shadows. Indoor, outdoor seating areas with neutral-toned cushions and furniture, a sense of calmness and serenity, focus on the textures of the plants and paving stones, slightly out of focus background, but with clear details in the foreground. Photorealistic, lush garden shed, modern cabin, dark gray metal exterior, warm wood interior, sliding glass doors, bed with white linens, plants, various plant pots, small TV, wooden decking, stone pathway, tropical plants, green foliage, soft sunlight filtering through trees, calm and peaceful, zen garden, detailed textures, impressionistic lighting, depth of field, high resolution, detailed shadows, environmental lighting, realistic materials, no harsh shadows, exterior. Perspective, full shot. Hyper-realistic, contemporary, minimalist cabin nestled in a lush tropical rainforest. Large, multi-paned glass walls showcasing the interior space, lit warmly from within. Muted earthen tones, concrete, dark wood, muted greens, and browns. Foggy, ambient lighting dappling the vegetation. Exterior features a stone patio area stepping down to a small pond reflecting the light. Various tropical plants and greenery surround the structure. Focus on natural light and shadows within the forest scene. Architectural details like the sloped roof, open floor plan, and modern glass walls are sharp and clear. Detailed foliage, smooth stone surfaces, calm water reflections. A spacious, light-filled interior, tropical aesthetic, impressionist style, wooden walls and bamboo partitions, large sliding glass doors revealing a lush, vibrant garden with tropical plants and flowers, warm earthy tones of tan, beige, and brown, natural woven rug with a mottled pattern, low beige walls, a comfortable, muted sofa with orange and beige cushions, natural light filtering through the glass, casting shadows, various potted plants throughout, different sizes and types. A hanging pendant lamp made of natural materials, a small, round, dark gray bolster on the floor, detailed textures of the plants, wood, and woven materials. Photorealistic, high-angle view, urban oasis, lush tropical plants, palm trees, ferns, greenery, dark gray concrete pathways and planter boxes, modern architecture, shadows, architectural detail, daylight, subtle gradient of green hues, calm, serenity, detailed foliage, impressionistic, depth of field, smooth textures, 4K resolution, geometric design of planters, sun-dappled, minimalist, balanced composition, clean lines. Photorealistic, high detail, urban rooftop garden, pathway with decorative patterned paving stone, circular design in white and dark gray, lush greenery, vibrant green plants, trees, bushes, and flowers, modern architectural elements in the background, city skyline in the distance, bright sunny day, partly cloudy sky, warm sunlight, perspective view, spacious area, calm atmosphere, careful composition, detailed textures, shallow depth of field, architectural design, impressionistic, Singapore. Style garden, meticulous landscaping. Lush indoor garden, thick foliage of various tropical plants, Monstera deliciosa, ferns, and other leafy greens. Dark gray couch with mustard yellow throw pillows, wooden coffee table. Warm, natural lighting from hanging lamps. Gray concrete walls, soft focus, slightly impressionistic style, organic shapes, detailed textures, soft shadows, close-up view, peaceful, zen-like atmosphere. Plants in pots and hanging baskets, natural elements abundant, high contrast between dark greens and warm light, realistic lighting and color. A woman, smiling, sitting outdoors, medium shot, hyper-realistic, Asian woman, long, dark brown hair, black sleeveless top, outdoor garden setting, lush greenery, vibrant tropical plants, orange and red flowers, pots, natural lighting, blurred background, focus on woman, calm, happy expression, outdoor patio/terrace, warm lighting, soft colors, shallow depth of field, professional photo, detailed foliage.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:/DX Design Channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.